Kelechi, are you trying to tell me you arrived if you did last night?
Yes, so I didn't even know you were still around.
Of course I'm still around. I still have an unfinished business here in the village. Though I've struck the deal, but I still have to finish it up.
Don't tell me you're talking about tomorrow.
Kele.
This guy says, how do you mean you have struck the deal? Nelson, don't tell me you have slept with that girl.
Bingo.
Ha! Nelson. What kind of jar did you use on that girl? Huh? I mean, how did you manage to humble that very girl?
That is because you don't know me. You don't know me. See, let me tell you, Kelechi. I'm a badass nigga, dude. Badass one, I'm telling you.
Indeed, you have found yourself a wife. Obiabawam. Nelson. So it's a one.
Pieces.
Hey! It's a one.
Pieces.
Otari gomwa, otapia sicha gomwa no. Huh? Can you favor? Nelson. So she know all the way from town. But over that, that my GIAka na po enwa. Tapia nwa.
That's not true.
Oh, Obiabawam.
Nah, all that you bring the food now. Hey. Nah, Papa. I won't wait for all that.
Amen. You want to
No, I just want to eat so that I will go and sleep. Early to bed, early to rise.
You know, I don't like rice.
Papa, don't worry. Eat. Tomorrow I'll cook your favorite. Oh?
Thank you.
You'll be saying it since you don't like
I'm happy you are back.
Papa, if you don't like this rice, just go inside and sleep.
If we needed to see what happened today.
What?
Hey! If you see what I saw today.
What did you see?
Run.
What happened?
I saw one man vomiting earlier today. I'm afraid it looks like she's pregnant.
Please allow me. You're very funny.
Why are you laughing? I know what I'm saying because of the way she has been behaving recently.
You're suggesting that.
Honestly, you're very funny. You're funny. How can you say that? I'm pregnant.
No problem.
How can a man get pregnant? It's not possible now.
Don't mind her. Don't mind her, my son. When I'm pregnant, does a man chase after a fellow man? What is the feminine qualities Mwab has in her that can attract a man?
I wonder, Papa, just ask her.
Yeah, I wonder too. But I know what I saw. You will say I said this. See, Mwab is pregnant.
All right, please allow me.
You're not a woman now.
No, change another topic. If you're not interested in it,
that must be.
But do you know a pregnant woman when you see her?
Sweetheart, I've been expecting you in my house all this while. I mean, why didn't you show up? Are you avoiding me? Huh? Oh, okay. Are you still angry over what happened the other day? And what about?
Nelson, I really want to talk to you about something.
You know where to find me. You know, okay. Alright, let me guess. You miss me, right? Yeah, see it. Oh, why the tears? Well, but why are you crying? And why the tears?
Nelson, I'm pregnant.
You're what? Preg what? Huh? You... One let me tell you, okay? You cannot just pull those stunts. You can't pull such stunts on me.
Nelson, I am serious.
You're not serious. Just get out, let me pass. Just one mouth that I just did, only one mouth. It's not like I did it like I was enjoying it that much. It was a village flavor that I just wanted, that's all. Come on, call me my car.
Nwabu is nothing but a slut in this village. Who doesn't know her?
Ola. Ola. Stop calling my sister a slut. Stop calling my sister a slut, oh. Stop calling my sister a slut. Every single thing she said. Stop calling my sister a slut. Ola, stop calling my sister a slut. She is nothing but a slut. A professional one at that.
Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay. Ola, just make sure you repeat every single thing you just said in front of her when she gets back.
I said Nwabu is a slut. What will happen? Hey. If you like, go and call her. Ola. I will say it before her. Heaven will not break.
Wait. Let me summarize this. What do you people even take this to your sisters?
Did we ask for your opinion?
Eh?
Who invited you?
What do you people even take this to
your
sisters?
Go inside. This is women talk.
Is it as Hulk Hogan in America? Go up on Mike and Nanny. Go on here. Go kill him. What you do?
Ikenna.
Go inside.
Ikenna, go inside.
Go inside.
Oh, you will not do anything.
Don't call my name.
Don't come to our house.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Don't talk to her. Leave her alone.
I will not do anything.
You're in our house, oh. You're in our house, oh. Come and beat me. Come and beat me. Thank God she's back. Hey, sister, welcome. Sister, can you imagine Ikenna and Ola? Do you know what they've been saying?
These people, Ola and Ikenna, they've been gossiping with your name, calling you all sorts of things. That you're a slut. You don't want to say something.
Sister, are you going inside?
Who called her name? Who called her name? I don't even have your time. Is her name Power Mike? Is her name Power Mike?
Okay.
Oh, Power Mike, that's there. Let's take come out.
Why is she running?
Is her name Power Mike?
Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
Let me just go and finish what I'm doing inside.
Finish what?
Is her name Power Mike?
Come out! Mom is a slut! Village Keziah. Who doesn't know her?
What's going on? Why the mood? Did anything happen over?
Sister, this is the first time I'm seeing you in such mood. What happened? You're crying.
Well, boy, you know you can always talk to us. Say something. Did you fight with anyone?
Talk to us. Did anybody die? What is it? Talk to us. This is not you. Sister, where are you going to? Sister, what is it? What is going on, my sister? I've not seen her like that before. This is the way Ikenna went talking and Ola went talking and she did not say anything. And now she doesn't want to talk to us.
Stop crying. Don't worry, nothing will happen to her. Eh? When she calms down, she'll talk to us. You know,
Are you sure she's
talk to
okay?
us. It's okay, I'm here. Don't worry.
Okay.
Mom, when did you walk into my house?
I came to talk to you.
About what?
I wasn't joking when I said what I said. Nelson, I am pregnant for you.
Pregnant? That's no big deal. There are so many girls, so many single girls out there that get pregnant every day around the world. And you know what they resort to? The one and only solution, which is abortion.
What are you trying to say?
What I'm saying in that effect is that you just go back there, you go and get rid of this unwanted pregnancy.
Unwanted?
Yes, unwanted.
What is that supposed to mean? Nelson, it's your child. Your child.
And what does that make you? The mother of my child? Mwabu, you're funny. Just wake up.
I don't get you. You said you loved me. Nelson, you told me you loved me.
I can't remember saying anything like that. Yeah, but even if I did, I mean, if I did, then it was a mistake. I mean, which man in his rightful senses will fall in love with something, a bush local girl like you? Tell me, which man in his right senses will fall in love with come on. You don't even have the qualities of the kind of girls I deal with in the city. You don't, and you expect me, Nelson. Oh, you think I'll lose my senses of judgment and fall in love with a local girl like you? God. Oh, yes.
You're actually saying this to me?
Yes, I am saying it to you. Well, if it were me, I will not hesitate to go and get rid of this unwanted pregnancy. That is, if I was responsible for this pregnancy. But I'm not.
I won't.
You won't?
Never.
Never.
I won't do it.
Then suit yourself, keep the pregnancy, and get out of my house. You have called my name over 1,000,000 times, but that will not change anything. Leave my house. Leave my house or I'll be forced to push you.
Nelson, try it. Touch me, Nelson. Try it. Try it.
Just leave.
Nelson.
Mwabu.
Nelson.
Mwabu. Leave my house. Got a pregnancy.
Hey, Nwabu nwanne m. Nwabu nwanyi ọma. Nwabu. You're shedding tears. Nwabu, why are you shedding tears?
What is it? Eh? What is it?
Hey, what would have made the almighty Nwabu shed tears? This is serious. Talk to me now, it's me. Talk to me now, Nwabu.
What is your problem?
Nwabu shed tears. Ha! Nwabu crying.
What kind of problem is this? Eh? Nwabu ga-alapụta kwa mmadụ. Did you see her? Oh. What kind of problem is this now? Eh? How can Nwabu be outside till now? Kí ló ń yàtọ̀ sáyé mẹ́? Kí ló yàtọ̀ yàgá? sister be okay, oh? God, please protect my sister from me. Eh? Mabo. Sister. Where have you been? What happened? Come. Just come. Where have you been? Mabo, you look very sad. God, you're even crying. What exactly is going on? What is the problem?
Are you going to remain silent? We are your sisters, and you can share your pain with us. Sister, remember, a problem shared is half solved.
Nwabu, please say something. Say something, I beg you. Leave her alone.
Oh, Mama, you can see that something is troubling her.
If she doesn't want to say anything, will you force her? Mama, we can't leave her in this condition. We can't leave her in... Go and sleep. Let me sit down.
Don't cry again, yeah? Mama, good night.
Achifo.
Obuachi. Okay. Eh? What troubles you? Nwabu, my name. Do you know, I was the one that gave you that name. You know, I was a twin, but I lost my twin sister when we were young. But when your mother was pregnant, when she had you in her stomach, my twin sister appeared to me. Oburofu, Oburebwa, severally. And I knew she was trying to tell me that she was coming back. Okay. Eh? You can talk to me. But don't worry. If you don't feel like saying anything, don't say anything. Also, Wadiro, I understand. Your pain is my pain. You can talk to me. I can help you solve whatever problem it is. No.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Sorry, what? Sorry, forgive me.
I'm very, very sorry, Mama.
If you do so what the wrong, you can tell me.
Mama, I am emperor.
Demon, you're pregnant.
Hey! Mama, what happened?
Eh? Eh? What is what?
You shouted.
Go to bed.
Mama, she's still crying now.
You say no, Papa, Mama,
Go to bed.
Mama, you guys she's crying. You are telling us to go and sleep.
You're going to was here.
This is not fair. You're telling us to go and sleep while our sister is crying. This is not fair. I'm sorry.
Why? How? Get on your man. Get on your tobale. Who got you pregnant?
Mama, the man responsible
is
rejected it, and he told me to go and remove it. He said I should abort it, Mama.
If you put down on our banner, so what if you will come to my room now? Tell me everything that happened. One more no. Let's go to bed.
boy bulu Osimo this and that Mpweteluya Opele romance Obukansi je Ometo maka here and there Obuli mecha This boy eme malo This boy eme malo Ife
What? Nwabu pregnant?
That is how I see it, oh my God. That is how I see it. Chai. Alarm to win. I didn't sleep last night. I couldn't sleep. Keka Mesilar.
She is the least person I expect to be saying men.
Huh?
If it were to be other of her sisters, I wouldn't have been so surprised. How did it happen?
I've been asking that same question. How did it happen? Who would have told me that Nwabu of all people will get pregnant?
Who is the man responsible for the pregnancy?
She told me no, late Okoro Umweze's son. Okoro Umweze of Umunka clan. Oh, you know, okay.
Oh, that young man. Does it mean something has been going on with him and our daughter? Eh? Besides, he doesn't live in this village now.
No. Abu told me that he has been around, on around. Naturally, now really. Eh? The boy denied the pregnancy.
What? Deny Guinea? Eh? Is he out of his senses? Does he know the family he is messing with?
The family.
Don't worry. I must do something. Young man, I don't understand what you are talking about.
What I'm trying to say is that I'm not trying to deny Nwabu. Nwabu is my friend. But what we maintain is a casual relationship, strictly platonic. That's it.
Nelson.
Yes? Nwabu, did I touch you? Huh? Did I make love to you? Then how am I responsible for your pregnancy? How did I get you pregnant?
Yeah, young man. Are you trying to tell me you are not responsible for my daughter's pregnancy?
I'm not.
What you're saying is different from what my daughter told me. She told me that you accepted. You accepted this pregnancy.
Yes.
But you told her to take it out. Yes.
Mama, she's your daughter.
Yes.
So you choose to believe what she has told you.
Gracias.
She doesn't lie. Well, Mama, I have told you the truth and nothing but the truth. I am not responsible for that pregnancy. I am not responsible for it.
Nelson, you're lying.
What? Nwabu, leave him. Leave him.
Did I touch your pants? Did I give myself
Ask yourself. Ask yourself. Did I touch you? Did I touch your pants?
Leave him.
Mama is lying.
Sit down there. Young man, sit down. I said sit down.
He's lying, no. He's lying. Nelson.
Young man, do you realize what you are doing? And what you stand to face if you are finally found guilty of this offense?
Yes, I know. I know the consequences. I know. And I am ready to swear before Ini Edo. I will swear to prove my innocence. I'm not responsible for that pregnancy.
Eh?
I'm ready.
Hi. Oh no, come.
A pregnancy that is not. I'm not responsible for it.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Ozugo!
He accepted before. He don't say that I should go and remove it. I don't know why he's lying. Hey!
No.
Hey! Olachi! Ola! Olachi! Oh, thank God. Come. Olachi, it has happened. That thing you said about one is right. About her pregnancy. You're right.
She's pregnant for real?
See, I had everything this afternoon. The worst of it all is that the guy that impregnated her denied everything. The guy is no so now, onwe kwe here.
This is hot gist. We need to break it down.
It's a very big gist. He will give me food though.
This boy bulubia, possible this and that. Mkweteluya, opele romance, obukansi je, ometumaka here and there, obulime.
Oh, Olachi, I'm hungry now. I'm hungry. Why are you calling my name? I'm not ready to go and fetch water for you. I'm hungry. I won't do anything.
Calm down, boy. I am calling you to come and see a man that is pregnant for his fellow man. Some men are so stupid that they can't even differentiate between a real man, your fellow man, and a she-man.
Look at the way she's walking like someone that just received Holy Communion. Innocent on the camera. Sometimes I wonder what men see in her. Look at her body like carpentry work.
Hey.
Some men can eat shit, eh? Look at the way she's just walking. Well, Holy Communion and communion. Maybe if you receive communion from this one or receive this one, you choose the one you will call Holy Communion. Please, Alachi, I'm hungry. I beg. I'm not.
Are you saying you have had it over with our people?
Oh yes. Well, they came to me and they were expecting me to accept responsibility on the pregnancy. And I told them I'm not responsible for that pregnancy. And that's final.
So you want to tell me that you want to deny your baby?
I want to deny your baby. I have already denied it. Okay? Come on, Kelechi, look at me. I am too young to father a child. Come on, I'm too young.
Listen, you are the only child, remember? Don't tell me you are too young to father a child. How old are you now? You told me yourself that your mother had been disturbing you, putting pressure on you as per getting married. Yes, check it out.
Who gives a damn? What? Who gives a damn? So let me tell you, it's my life. And I will live my life to the fullest, no matter what she thinks. Okay? Come, okay. By the way, who is the mother of the child that we're talking about here? Wow. That village, total village girl. Come on, my friend.
Nwabo is good. That girl is good to the core. Eh? Remember, you were the one that told me that you opened her. Come on, about yard.
Of course. I am the one that opened her. So does that make her that responsible? Okay then. If you think she's that responsible and you think she's a wife material, why not just go ahead and get married to her? Go ahead and get married to her. As for me, I am not ready. Okay? I am still young to father a child. That's it.
Nelson, okay, let's joke for once. Listen, say the truth and save this poor girl from embarrassment. Nelson, you walk rock. You walk rochacha. Na mo awotoro yi na akọ. Ina akogede. Awotoro mi na akọ. You walk rochacha.
It's enough. Okay? Enough of
Na lapo ga apo eba. Mo hapo agodi self.
Wait now. Let me finish this thing now. Oh, yeah, take this small one. Take this small one.
Who is taking that one? What about?
Go and prepare this. Okay, take. Okay. Hey! I forgot to tell you. Do you know they left their sister behind and went to fetch firewood alone? Maybe to save her the stress as only did.
You know what? I think that is support of her pregnancy.
See, let me not tell you. That pregnancy will kill up one day. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying.
Who is pregnant?
What did you hear? What did you hear? Eh?
What are these people saying? Adugo, why not for them? Don't mind these people. They are jobless people, always talking nonsense.
Who is jobless? Who is talking nonsense, Adugo? Let me tell you, it's no longer secret. You think it's still secret? Let me box your balls, girls. It's no longer secret in this village. The news is everywhere in this village. Mom is pregnant.
News of what?
News of your sister's pregnancy. News of what?
Are you trying to pretend that you don't know your sister Nwabu is pregnant?
Let them tell us.
Ola, watch your mouth. Watch what you're saying because you'll be responsible for this. Ola.
Ola, talk to them. You're a graduate. You're a graduate. Talk to them.
Your sister is pregnant for this. Stop calling my sister pregnant. Stop calling my sister pregnant.
Sister, let's go. Leave them. It's not true. Just go. Leave them.
That we should stop calling Nwabu's name. I call Nwabu's name. What will happen? If I do ship or uncle, I say stop calling Nwabu's name. Don't make me do what I will regret.
You don't have joy. Just to sit down and be gossiping about somebody. Are we for no one?
Sister, thank God you are here. You can't believe what Ola and our stupid brother are saying outside about you.
They said that you're pregnant and that the news has spread all over the village. You can't believe what those troublemakers are saying.
Sister, are you just going to stay there and do nothing about this? Why these idiots are gossiping with your name outside?
Wait. Nwabu, you're not saying anything. Nwabu, you're not saying anything. Are we to take it that is true?
Are you really pregnant?
Nwabu, talk now. Nwabu, talk now. Are you pregnant? Kukwe?
Are you going to believe those?
I don't know.
Yeah, just make it don't mind them. It's not pregnant. Maybe it's fever. It's not okay.
Nwabu.
Nelson! Where's Nelson?
Nelson has gone back to the city.
When?
Early this morning. Why carrying cutlass?
Hey! Oh! Hey! God, you have seen it! God, you have seen the way Nelson has deceived me. In his mind now, he thinks he's smart. But I know he will not go unpunished. In fact, God, wherever he is, go there and punish him for me. Wherever he has run to, go there and punish him for me. If you have your way, punish him and punish him. And while you're punishing him, let him know that I'm the reason you're punishing him.
plan to do with your daughter now that the young man has denied responsibility of the pregnancy?
Nwokoye, that is why I am here.
Okay.
Before Chukwu ani nefe, Chukwu anu wadi. This God is a great plan. So now that this boy has rejected the pregnancy, I have decided that I am going to marry my granddaughter. Yes. We will perform the marriage rites immediately so that when she has that baby, child, my late son's child, not a plan.
That is a great idea.
I feel it.
Yes. What about Nwabo? Have you discussed this idea with her?
Oh, not yet. That one would not be a problem.
You plan to keep this away from Obiano, right?
Yes, of course. Honey, he needs not have any knowledge of what we're planning. I will surprise him.
Odimma. That is exactly what he deserves. I will carry this message to the rest of the Umuna. I will do that.
Nwokoye. Onya kanji pumakai.
I will do that.
Nwokoye.
Is it true? Nwabo, is it true? Nwabo, is it true what I heard? Nwabo, say something now. It's your mama. Nwabo, no problem. You have your life to live. Live it the way you want.
Obiano, what exactly are you talking about?
Ijenna, I am only trying to thank you for hiding it away from me for a long while.
Keeping what away from you?
It's a pity that something will happen in this compound. Outsiders will know about it before me. But all the same, you should know again that outsiders should not let you know that bastards are not tolerated in this family, in this compound.
It is my business. Let me deal with it.
It's my business, so you and your daughters are shameless. You want to rub mud on the good image we have built here. Our family has built. But on my
family.
It cannot happen.
It's a family. Chalukwa. When matters like this arise, but when it comes to things like cash crops, farmland, lands, we become total strangers.
Because our tradition does not permit women from owning a land or cash crops. Yes. See the person we are talking about. See her. The shameless she-goat. Shameless she-goat, Nwabu. See, Nwabu, you and your grandmother have vowed to bring shame and ridicule to this family. And oh my man, you have failed. Make sure you carry this thing that is in your womb to the man who put it there.
Baba, she doesn't have a womb. I'm sure that thing could possibly be in one of her intestines. Or do men have womb?
Hey! I know one thing.
Yes, now, men don't have womb. I
know one thing. Hey! I know one thing.
After everything, Owadem, he didn't even bother to tell me. Mama, he deceived me. He forced me. I lost my virginity to him, Mama. Kai, I am so stupid. So stupid.
Stop blaming yourself. Yeah? What has happened has happened. If I get no woman. He made a mistake, yes, but everyone is prone to make a mistake. Eh? Stop worrying too much. Eh? I am here for you. I will never leave you. Oh?
Mama, I will abort this pregnancy.
Eh? You see? Abort me?
I will remove it.
But I'm not going to abortion. You will keep this baby. You will have this baby. I will look after this baby. You got even now why?
What do you mean, Mama? What do you mean I should keep the pregnancy when the father has rejected it?
Bao, I'll abort it.
Mama, second bow. I'm not going to abort. You will keep this child. If the father does not want the child, Mama, did I? It is okay. If he does not want his child, no problem. Nwokoye is here. I will take the baby. I will bring up the baby as my own. I will never abandon you. What if now why? Go on.
Mama, what does that mean to me and my future? Eh? So, you want me to be a single mother? Mama, single mother? God forbid. I will not do it, I'll remove it.
What happened? Please, I beg you. Keep this child. Keep it for me. Eh? At least I will bring up the child as my own. No. Don't worry. I will take care of the child. Please, if you have to sell your tomato, I will sell them for you. Just relax and have this baby. Only more. Mom, what are you hiding? Okay, Kinezo. Well, but what do you think you're doing? You want to abort this baby?
Mama, give me. I can't keep it. Mama, give me. I can't keep it, Mama. I can't keep it.
You want to kill my child?
Your child? Mama, what do you mean by that?
See, all the marriage traditional rites have been performed on your head. You're now to stay back in this family and bear children for the family. Yes, now. That young man denied this baby. So this baby is now part of this family. You cannot abort it.
Mama, please tell me you're joking. No. Mama, because I am not
joking. All the women has, they all know. They all know. They don't know. It's a secret.
And you kept it a secret from me too, Mama. Mama! Jesus! Mama, how can you do a thing like that to me? How? Is that your plan for me? Mama, so that is your plan for me? Are you that selfish? Mama, you only think about yourself! You always think about yourself!
Mbano! It's not about me. It's about your father. It's about your father. Okay? If all the girls marry and go away, Mama will die. Obiano will take over everything. No, I know you loved your father. Just do this for him. Okay? Is it about taking care of the child? More than that. I will take care of the child. Even though the breast is all shrunken and everything, oh yeah, where? Let me tell you something else. I have money. A lot of money that I kept inside the roof. I will use it and make love to people. Don't worry. You will still look young. No.
Now, what the man? What this? Hey, dodge. Good man. Hey. Now, give it to me. Why are they doing that? Hey.
Chicken, when I heard the news about Nwabu's pregnancy, I was so surprised. I even thought you are the one that did it.
See, if I'm the one responsible, then why am I complaining? Did you know that Nwabu does not offer me the opportunity of talking to her, let alone touching her? She found a city guy. She now decided to parade herself around with the guy.
Hey!
Mezema abandoned.
But that is so stupid of that idiot.
Very stupid.
Could you believe that whenever a man comes around that Nwabu, the grandmother will stand up and walk without walking stick? Why is it that most girls are like this? They don't appreciate men, you know, guys that love them. Why?
Imagine.
Yeah?
I don't know.
They just allow themselves to be deceived by paupers. Look at how she fell to that idiot. That idiot was able to penetrate into her, bamboozled her, and just left her just like that. Yeah?
I don't believe that. But that serves her right, yeah? That serves her right.
One thing I know for sure is that I will make that idiot pay for ruining Nwabu's life. When next he steps his foot into this land, he must pay for all these things.
That is it. I support you. In fact, supported. You understand me? Guy, forget it! That guy is an idiot. I can personally deal with that guy. In fact, any day that idiot set his idiotic leg into this village. Chicken, you have my number. Call my phone. Call my phone! Let me do with him.
That's how they come from the city with their stupid city of physics and scatter the plans we have in this village.
Imagine in a Merem city guy.
See, I am from the city. I might not be around when he comes. By then, I might have gone back to the city as a musician. I'm not busy. Call my phone! Call my phone! Let me deal with him. what they call me in the city is woman squad.
Only.
If you come to
only
what I'm not talking. If you come to Fege, what they call me there is equal. I make one them madu go. That is why they call me. If you make mention of Udo, a take go. Once you come there, call anybody that you're looking for equal.
The problem I'm having with you is that now, your number, how many lines do you have? Your number gaga. You
won't blame me. As a city guy, you have too many, but you have my private number. Call me on that one, my friend. Call me on that one. You don't want to call? Call me and let me deal with that guy. That's idiot. Oh, idiot.
Udo, calm down. Calm down.
Oh, Oluchi. First, Oluchi herself, he said idiot. Oluchi, idiot.
Yeah, I thought you had planned to Oluchi.
Oh, somebody have very good intention. To settle that with. Treat her like a queen. She think she's not a queen again. But because I got so intoxicated with my musical career, open the watch on my voice, I can't go into it because I be saying again, But the girl,
the rapper.
The girl felt that I'm not giving her much attention. Feels the general that idiot.
How can you marry? It's Diego. Or you know Diego and no one.
Stop it. Don't insult Udo. Look at his cap. Do you know how much this cap is sold?
Then get cap.
Oh, what are you not talking? I'm a musician. You want to play with musicians? That girl has no atom of discipline. Because if she has endured, forget it. It is a musical contract. No idiot. Odogu? No, I'm in a meeting. Get it. Oh, you don't know music? This is what they call music. Sure, forget it. See, come to the final. Let me just keep two of you now. If you want to know, I have show this. You know how much I'm paid?
Ego neka na koge.
For one show.
I have a show. Where?
I think Diago.
Town hall.
Exactly.
Go. I know there.
Come there, 5,000 guys will be there. You know how much I'm paid? I mean, yes. You know what I mean? Hey.
I've thought about everything you said, and I have decided to keep the pregnancy. I have
decided to stay back and give my father the male child he never had. By the grace of God. Since Oluchi is already engaged and will soon join her husband, let me stay so that my father's lineage will continue. Do you know I was the one that gave you? When they gave birth to you, I looked into that pretty face and I told myself, this is my sister. Only about one name. And I gave you that name. About one name. I knew you would never let me down. And never. One never. Oh, wonderful. Darling. Oh, Mama. Oh, Mama. Come on, easy. Would you go? Oh, go and bring the ball. Nadia, bia. Go home. Oh, nobody, bia. Oh, in the evening you come and play ball. Oh, then you look like that.
Bought it for me.
Hobby.
My hobby.
Which one is your hobby?
Wow, my hobby. My husband. He bought me the car.
Watch me joke. Hey! He's so fine.
Hey! Cassie! Hey! You know what? Come here. See my boy, you. Mama. He's looking so big.
Nah, I'll call my daughter, babe. I don't want.
Oh, Cassie, I've missed you. What are you people feeding him with?
Feeding him? Oh, what? Nah. Toto. I'm going to pass me up, Papa. Yeah, Tapia. And when she's your one. And when you're here, oh, Dikeh. Nana niye, we balance here. Where look one, eh? Oh, nya bo kwa. Azu oponko. Nya azu asa. Otosia. Nke bia, I will cook it for you.
Mama is so grown, oh. Eh? See my baby, oh. See my prince. Eh? Wabo, ina one, no?
Ana one.
Very good. After you come and get all the things from me, I won't let
Olachi. Ha! This one he came back today. We weren't expecting you. I hope all is well. Well, I hope you are not here to beg for money because there's no money at home. Papa does not have any money in the house. My work, you know my work, as a molar, block molar. I don't know what is happening in this community. As if they ring bell, bam, so everybody to stop building houses. We the molars will not be doing anything. Man, about the ones that call which way? Go and drop your bag inside.
Now I decided to take you people by surprise. Okay, wait. Who is this guy?
Oluchi, of course. I overheard her telling her family members that her husband bought it for her.
Eh? Oluchi's husband bought this car for her.
Are they not the same thing?
That means the car belongs to Oluchi now.
That the husband bought it for her. Honestly, I never knew that her husband is this rich. You know, I've not looked at it very well since. It's Honda. For her husband to buy her this type of car, that means the man is loaded. He's rich.
Because where is Papa?
Papa, I don't even know. Papa, the last time I checked, I overheard him saying I was rushing for community meeting. I don't know. Because come there, go drop your distance. There's nothing in the house. So biscuits. Can you share by video? There's nothing in the house. Let me check something outside.
Sister, welcome. So your husband got you that beautiful. He even promised to buy a bigger one for me when I put to bed. And I can't wait to lay my hands on it. It's Colonia.
Yeah. Oh, all in as is funny.
I can't wait to get the cat on the couch.
Yeah. Now township Makabiko.
Hey, you don't stop to make me laugh. I see. Wow. I see you all are looking good. You're looking so fine and I'm happy about it.
Oh, Kwachukuo. It is God. Thank God.
And now, hi. I thank God for your condition. 4 years ago, hi. My enemies were laughing at me. Seriously? So, you mean they are gossiping already?
Sister, I don't need to tell you what they've been saying about you and your husband.
Jesus.
It was Uncle Obiakpo and his useless kids that started it.
That family. They are not tired yet. So, he's still alive.
I
beg, what of Olachi? Is she engaged yet?
Oh, but also. Not only engaged here, and engaging also.
That one, she has been jumping from one man's house to another.
Okay, fine.
University, she did not complete.
I'll pass.
Even job, she doesn't have.
Okay, he mean by that. What do you mean by she doesn't have a job? It's prostitution, not a job. Hey. She has a good job.
Wow, boy, danger. Akati. Oh, if I'm not Akati Kolo.
Let us leave all this one about Akati. If they are family, let us talk about more important things. If I'm to Talani, Nemo, Dikeh for you, this is your pregnancy. Tell me how the baby kicks you, so that I will tell you if it's a boy or a girl.
Hey, when is your husband coming to visit us again? Eh? Honestly, I miss that handsome young man.
You miss what? You miss my husband?
Is that
what you're saying? Hey, I'm so sorry. Anyway, my husband is fine and he sent his regards. Where is Cassie?
That one?
He's with grandma inside. Those two are always together.
You should have told him that much.
Sister, you haven't seen anything yet. They are inseparable, like I told you.
Oh my God. I'm so happy for her. I'm happy for her. What of Uncle Obi? Is he aware?
My bad one. No, nobody told him no.
Oh, that means he still troubles you guys over the marriage issues.
Yeah. It's worse now. Hey. Now he's laying claims over Oka, orange, even broomstick.
Chineke. Look how Obi feel me.
In fact, I have never seen a man that is as shameless as that man. Hey. Let us not spoil our night with his gist because our cause.
One name one.
Pregnancy
Thank you. What thanks to my husband?
But when I was pregnant, he never told me I was looking beautiful.
Jealousy.
Yeah, Pasha.
Now it's the same thing. Both of you are looking very pretty.
Wow.
Pasha. Pasha.
You're, in fact, you're very beautiful too.
Don't worry.
Very soon to be ready. Just special delicacy.
Mom? 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 Mom, I don't need to ask what that face is for. I know I screwed up last night, okay? Yes, I do. And I'm sorry it's not going to repeat itself again.
You want me to take that?
Yes, Mom. It's not going to repeat itself again. Okay? And I'm not going to fail you. I won't. Come on, give me that smile. Yes, that's my lovely Mom. I love you, Mom. Okay, I'm late for work now. I have to start dashing out now.
Right. Take care of yourself.
And you too.
Go.
I love you so much, Mom.
I don't come back. Okay?
I won't. Good smile.
This is for my guys in the Nollywood chasing your dreams. Never stop, forward ever.
Hello? Yes, Mrs. Gracie Weze. What? Oh my God. Please, where? Oh my God. I'll be right there, okay? Thank you very much.
Accident victim here, and he's in the emergency ward. The doctor is attending to him right now.
You mean my son is alive?
Yeah, he's alive.
Can I see him now?
Yeah, you can. Just like I said, the doctor is attending to him. Please sit down. I assure you he'll be very fine. Sit down.
What do you think you're doing? Go and get that boy.
It's not as if I'm going to harm this little boy. I have nothing against him. He's a stranger in this compound. Remember?
What are you trying to say this afternoon?
I only want to know your plans for this boy. When are you taking this boy back to his true father? When?
It is none of your business. I will take him to his father when I feel like it.
I only want to remind you the importance of doing this as he's growing up here, not knowing whom his true father is.
Mansago Waf, I will not answer you.
Let the boy know his true father.
Now come, let's go inside.
Take him to his true father. Madam, calm down, okay? Be strong.
Be strong?
Your son is a strong man.
else he wouldn't have survived this fatal accident.
Oh my God.
We have stabilized his condition now. He'll be fine, okay? Though I will later run some tests on him.
Test? You suspect anything?
No, not really. I'm just following medical procedures. Let me see other patients.
Leave me alone! My son! Oh my God. Oh my God.
Is it true that Obiano said all this?
Oh, Nani. You have not even heard half of it. If Nwokoye that man has nothing good to say about my family.
So he has no slightest knowledge about what is on ground.
No, he doesn't know anything. Hey, if he had known, if God that man is wicked, he would have done anything possible to spoil what we are planning.
I see. Don't you think it's high time he knows?
No.
Huh?
He doesn't need to know anything. That man is wicked. Afotale Amini. He has dealt with my family. You know what I intend to do? I want to surprise him. Or eventually, actually surprise him.
Okay, no problem.
Life is full of circumstances, but with the help and grace of God, it will be restored. Okay?
As you can see, Doctor, I have taken it. I've already taken it. You know the fact. In fact, sitting on this wheelchair all day and night alone. Doctor, just go ahead. Just go ahead and say it. Just say it.
From the various tests we conducted, your spine was badly damaged. And secondly,
Doctor, are you trying to say I can't walk again? Are you saying I will never walk?
no, you can. Just that your male hormone, what we call testosterone in medical terms, was also affected. Which means you may not be able to father a child.
No, Doctor. No, Doctor, you can't tell me that now. Doctor, God, please, God, Doctor.
I am sorry, Mr. Nelson. That is what it is. You're mine. Please control yourself. Be a man.
The doctor told you this?
Yes, Mom.
That your male hormone was also affected.
I saw the child. I saw my child. His name is Cassie. Cassie. I heard his mother calling him.
How sure are you that was the child you saw?
I saw. He's got my eyes. He's got my eyes, I swear. He's got my eyes. I just couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it. I just couldn't hold it. I was just watching it from afar.
Well, Nelson, Omega or no Omega, what has happened has happened. It's all in the past. So my guy, move on.
I can't.
Move on.
I can't move on without my child. I can't just move on without my child.
Okay. What do you want to do about it?
I'll go to her. I'll go to her and ask for reconciliation. I'll go to her tomorrow and definitely I will ask for reconciliation. That's what I will do. That's what I will do.
Nelson, ịlọkwana ya ka nlọ. Imekwana mistake na nke a. Ichekwana ya eche cha. You got just know I boogie. You are sorry. Huh? After all what you have done to Nwabo, you still have the mind to tell me that you want to go and see Nwa.
And you told me yourself that you denied the responsibility of that pregnancy. Now you're telling me you want to go and see Nwa. Oh, Nelson, don't even think of it. You look one year can know. But I get boogie. I forgot. Sorry.
I wouldn't have had a choice, but I have no choice. Like if I had a choice, I would have gone to her. As you can see now, I have no choice. Like, I don't have a choice. I just have to go to her.
Listen, I told you all this is at the initial time. I told you messed up.
Yeah, no,
I told you all these things. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. Just try and hold yourself, okay?
It's okay. It's okay now.
No, I don't know.
What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here? Please leave this compound. Get out.
Please just hear me out.
Hear you, Gene. Wait, what do you want to tell me? Gene Kichegwam. If you have come to tell me or make me know that you had an accident, I have seen it. Oh, sorry, but it's not my business. Get out.
What I came for is something more important than that.
Our son.
Our Guinea. Our Guinea. Our... You are very, very stupid. Please get out of this compound. Yeah? Now.
Nebiko, listen to him now. Look at his condition now. Please.
Young man, what did I hear you say? You said that boy is your son.
Yes, sir.
Hey, where have you been all the while? We have been expecting you.
Who has been expecting? Yeah? Nobody has been expecting you. In fact, you don't have any business in this compound. And then you are picking now. Mind your business. Mind your business, so.
Tradition demands that the boy is his whenever he comes for him.
Is you.
See, young man, go and come with your people and perform some necessary rites. You take your child with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. It's a thank you, sir. In fact, I don't want to see you in this compound by the time I come out again.
Wabo, please, can I talk to you, please? Please, can I talk to you, please?
I don't want to see you.
Please.
Don't come here.
Uncle Boli, come, let's go.
Wait, what exactly is Uncle Biano's business?
Don't mind that evil man. He thinks he knows what he's doing, but he's going to meet a big surprise.
Of course now. Hey, I didn't tell them anything. No.
Trust him.
Let him come with these people. Yalla.
And how do you think he will feel when he finally finds out the truth?
Hey, he will feel exactly the way I want him to feel. That man doesn't know what is waiting for him.
Mama, I actually like the way things are playing out. Which are all my favorite.
Oh, wow. Obi, I know you have feel that.
And you kept this away from me all these years? Nelson, how could you? How could you do this? Nelson, if you don't need the child, I need the child. At least you should have told me about it in the first place.
Mom, I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, Mom. I'm sorry.
I know you are. But that does not change the fact that you acted so stupidly, Nelson. Nelson, I thought you said you cared about Mommy. Yeah, I thought you said you love Mommy. And you never hurt me.
I do.
Oh, shut up, Nelson! You do not have the slightest idea how I feel right now. You don't!
I do, Mom. I do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, Mom. Really sorry. Mom, just forgive me. Forgive me, Mom. All I want from you right now is for you to accompany me. Accompany me to go and see her. See her and her family. Mom. I need my son.
Oh
my God. I need my son. I'm a fool, I know. But I need my son. Mom, I need my son. I need him.
The truth is that none of us had the slightest knowledge of this until he came to us a few days ago and confessed everything.
Are you sure he confessed everything? Because if he did, I believe you people will not have any reason to be here today. Huh?
Ichi, I don't understand.
You don't understand? Your child didn't tell you that he denied that he never had any intimate affairs with my daughter.
Plateau. Plateau. Hey, Nelson, is that what you told them?
But that is not the issue here. Whether he was responsible or not responsible, the lady in question has been traditionally and legitimately married to this family.
Hey!
To stay here and bear children on behalf of her late father, who had no male child before his death. So your son, Nelson here, was only used as a tool to fulfill this obligation.
It's a lie. It's a lie. That never happened.
It did happen. Okay. But we decided to keep it away from you because of the kind of person you are.
Yeah.
What we are saying is that every elder of this community knows about it. Hey! And was part of the right performed by Ijenna on behalf of man. Bigwe was also present. So if you have your doubt, you are free to meet Bigwe. That is all.
It's impossible. Such thing cannot happen in this family without my consent.
Oh my God, man! Listen, we also kept it secret from you because we know that that is the best thing that can happen to Ijena's family. Well, I'm sorry that you are just finding out now.
Are you saying that the child in question is a legitimate son of this family?
Yes! Yes.
Your son here was so naive. He thinks he is a notorious womanizer and that he can go around and mess up with any woman that comes his way. So sorry.
Nelson! Look at what you've done to yourself now.
Hey! Impossible! This cannot happen as long as I am alive.
But it has happened! Oh my God, man!
Hey! Hey, Nwokoye, is that why you sneak into this family?
Stop shouting on us, oh!
Who are you? Is that why people come here?
What? Stop shouting on anybody here!
Nonsense! Nonsense! It cannot happen. Okay, man. Useless human being. Eh? Nonsense!
Ibata mbeba melu ajaru. Ibata mbeba melu ajaru. Message kekita.
Not because I'm a gentleman.
So, Ijenna strategically planned this and successfully hid it away from me. So, no. I'll show you that I'm a man. No. I'm sorry, Mom. So sorry. Sorry, Mom. I never knew things were going to turn out this way. I never bargained for all this. I'm sorry, Mom. truly sorry. Sorry. Mom, I said I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry, Mom. Forgive me. Oh, I'm sorry.
Ah, Anna. Are you playing?
Yes.
Ah, good. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You are a good boy. Uncle got biscuit. Take it and eat because you are a very good boy.
I'll eat it after I finish playing.
That is good. That is good. Make sure you eat it alone. Do not share it with anybody. Uncle bought it alone for you. And you have to eat it alone. Okay? Good boy. Go on. Go.
Kasiem Obi.
Uncle Obiano gave me.
Uncle Obiano? The one outside gave you this biscuit? Give me. Don't ever collect anything from him. Even if he forces you, say no. Obiano is a very wicked man. Do you understand what I'm saying? Come and sit here. You will not kill any of my children again. Except Monobro Chukwumwanya can never. Don't worry, I'll buy biscuits for you. Achicha. Mandela so. Mandela netini fenetiti. You go now. Just one I have.
You are playing, I know you must be tired. That's why I brought another biscuit for you. Take it. Don't tell me you want to reject my gift. Take it, boy. Hold it. Okay, hold it. See this one. Take this.
I want to eat it inside.
Take it. I'm going to take this. Eat it now. Eat it. You have not told me why you summoned this emergency meeting.
Yes. Obiano, this meeting was called so that you can tell us when you can share the land between you and Ijena's son. Because it has come to our notice that the problem we are having in this family was because of the land and cash crops. So it will be better that you share it so that peace can reign among you people.
That is true. Do people know what you're talking about?
Yes.
When did women started sharing or having land in our community? When? When now? It cannot happen no.
Yeah. Obiano, what are you talking? Eh? What are you talking? Have you forgotten that Ejena now has a son? You have to share the land accordingly so that the boy will have his own portion of the land.
That is why we are here.
That is it.
Fear!
That is it.
Fear! What? Oh, is that your plan? This is conspiracy. You want me to share my land with that kid? No, it cannot happen. Mama.
Yes, Obiano. You have no choice. You were looking for a male child to share land with. Now you have seen one, and you are hesitating. Why are you hesitating? Ihina Tonukenu is Banukana. Ijenna now has a son.
It cannot happen. Agwara m unu na ihe enweghị ike ime n'obodo a. Hey! Myself to share my land with a bastard. A bastard! No, I will never. It cannot happen. Oh, man,
it will happen. Omegeme. Bia. Obiano. Watch what you say about a son of the soil. Eh? Are you hearing me? Because the Igwe will not be merciful to you at all. Bam!
That is true.
For calling a true son of this family and land a bastard. Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
Look, whether you go or no, or hungry elders like you, I don't care. He is a bastard and he remains a bastard. And I have nothing to share with him. Yes. Do you know the tradition of this land? What are you talking about?
What do you know about tradition? You Obiano. What do you know?
It is the tradition that we are telling you.
Look at Obiano.
Look, I don't just understand. It's better you leave this place.
Well, when the time comes, you will know the true tradition.
You don't know what you are saying. But
okay, let me see gender.
You push me. No wonder. For this, oh, if I get you people here again, knife. Rubbish. Nonsense. Can you do trouble na chief with people keba? Open na ebo na eje ne wa anya. Nonsense. Mama me o, cannot happen here.
Nogi Wagwala in Psalm 23. Aboma 23. I know a boom water, you are born in China. Ini Edo. Isi ni genyani fobu na icho no wa. Isi ni genyani ni aga na eli ndi lo anya no na ekiri anyi mo nwere fefa geme. Nna bi ni wisi anyi gaba. No we fobu na di nuzu ga akopia. Maka ni ga na Edo anyi. Ukwu ama nkwu anyi because no gi wa bu chukwu anyi na efe.
Jenna, you brought a bastard to come and challenge me. No, it will end this night. Kasi Mobi, it must end this night. You go this night.
Nige tu fun. You come on one program. One nephew.
What happened? Time me? What is that? What is it? Hey! No. And I want more than I want.
Protect Tanya Kona Ganiru. You might fit you over to this family.
Your son, I killed him and his wife.
He said he killed
Ijenna, I tried to kill him, but it wasn't possible. Hey! Hey! Kassemobi! I've tried to kill him so many times, but he failed. I decided to kill him this night, and that's what brought me here now. Jesus. Hey! Here now. Jesus. Hey! Hey! Ikenna! Hey, Ikenna! See this family. Oh, people should respect Ijenna. She's a great woman. She's a great woman. Hey! Ijenna! Oh! Ijenna! Oh! See the family. Look after my children. Hey!
But why are you saying all this? Saying all this. Papa, see, I will take care of the family, but
Papa, are you joking?
Papa.
But you're joking, oh. You're joking, Papa, wake up,
Papa.
Dikeh.
Papa.
Bia. Why is it that every time you be walking with your shoulder raised? What is swelling your head, sir? Why are you behaving as if na pass guard run and book on it? Listen, big boys like me don't have all the time to be following village girls like you around.
Emeka, I hate you and your guts. Have you ever seen a big boy in your life? You're here claiming big boy. Don't you know that big boys don't talk to girls anyhow? Big boys are humble. You're here claiming big boy and big boy. Your white mouth.
Yeah, mind the way you insult the biggest boy in this local government. Listen, I can feed you. That's your old one-eyed grandmother. Even that your sister that you people have turned to a village goat. Come on now, no one no more. Oria.
Emeka, how many times did I call you? You are an idiot. A stupid fool. The next time you dare stop me again, you could coagulate.
Do you realize who you are talking to?
Are you mad? What's talking? Hey, wait. Oh. What are you doing with my sister? You think she don't have a brother like me? Okay?
What did you do?
No, Emeka.
What did you do?
I don't do anything, no. You don't anytime you see me, you just disturbing me.
You didn't do anything to him?
My leg.
Did he touch you in another place?
No, brother, he's just here.
I can't get you, man.
What is your problem? What?
I'll take.
What? Yeah, good. Are you mad? What did my sister do to you?
Go.
Just like that. You never put there. See, I will follow you anywhere you're going. Today, any day you want to go to sleep, call me. I will join you. Give me my clothes. Let's go. I'm good. Tell me the truth, Adugo. Are you sure you didn't touch you in another place? Let me see. Are you sure you didn't touch you in another place? Tell me the truth. Let them make a run. Tell me the Adugo. Tell me the truth. Are you sure you won't put about the Maka? Maka kete. Let him run. No. No. Wait. Is your leg not paining you? No. Emeka. No problem. Emeka, my sister. My sister, no bother. You can take a phone now. You wait.
No, you're back.
Why are you walking like that?
You can't read it. Are you okay?
Mama, as I was going to get water, Emeka jumped out from the bush and attacked me and started beating me.
Emeka?
You say?
Then Ikenna came out from nowhere and rescued me.
Ikenna?
Which Ikenna?
Brother.
Charu, let me understand. Emeka came out from nowhere and attacked you. And Ikenna, our Nkebieba, Olachi's brother, came and rescued you.
Yes, and even asked him that why was he beating his little sister and gave her injury on the leg.
Hey! Oh, one neck. That's
See that?
He followed me to the stream.
Yay! Ha! Dear boy, tell him to come.
That boy is so lucky that I was not the one that met him beating my sister up. Is he mad? Hey! Ikenna, you will do me a favor. You will take me to that Emeka's house. Let me ask him why he would lay his filthy hands on her. Is he mad?
Olachi, that guy is lucky. He's very lucky. Do you know that was why I followed Adugo to the stream today? But no problem.
Hey, Adugo, you will take me to Emeka's house. Let me ask him why he will beat you up. Is he mad? What you call it?
Okay. I will. But Ikenna, Nwabu said I should call you.
Huh? Nwabu asked you to call me?
Yes.
It's okay. Sister Lacha, I'm coming.
Can you imagine?
Sorry.
Emeka.
Can you imagine? No problem. That guy, yeah?
You have to tell me what he's giving me. He's coming up. Where is that stupid boy? Adugo, come and show me that Emeka that beats you. What do you call it? Don't you know you're my sister? Come and show me their house. Is he mad? Eh? Dad, come and show me his father's house. Let me know why he beat you up. Is he mad?
Ikenna, did you actually beat Emeka because of Adugo?
Yes, I did. Or should I have allowed Emeka to hurt my younger sister?
You just called out your younger sister?
Ha! Of course, I do go with my younger sister.
Hey. Hey, yeah. It's okay. Ikenna. I'm happy with the way things have turned out. Let us forget about the quarrels, the fight, everything. You are my brother. Inugo. So let's just live like one happy family. Inugo. Inugo Olachi, my sister. We have a
Kasi, one of them, yeah. Okorobia. Kasi, you're my brother. You're my brother for life. Mama.
Oh,
the life begins.
Olachi. You people go to that your wretched house. There's space here. 2 empty rooms. You move in here and stay. No, I can't go. You know Oluchi is no longer living with us now, so you can pack into her room. I will change you. You will stop wearing them.
Udamaka, manne bu manne, ani bofu.